into our pigsty and not plague us here.
Oh, I'll go. But he'll come with me.
You don't know that.
God increase you. But I'm pot boy in this case, and it's here I'll be for staying. People who spend most of their natural lives riding iron bicycles across the rocky roadsteads of the parish get their personalities mixed up with the personalities of their bicycles as a result of the interchanging of the molecules of each of them. And you will be surprised at the number of people in these parts who are nearly half people and half bicycles.
I was hoping against hope that I wouldn't see a vision. People who saw visions very often ended up as martyrs. And while I was quite keen on being a saint, I wanted to be a non-martyred saint.
Beyond in a tenement house. That's a little bit too derogatory.
Oh, you've got a cold on your feet,
Ah, it's only a little.
Oh, you want to be careful of that all the same. I knew a woman once, big lump of a woman, red face, round bodied, a little awkward on the feet. You'd think to look at her that she could put out her 2 arms and lift a 2-story house onto the top of her head. Got a little tickle in the trunk and a little cough. And the next morning she had a little catch in the chest. And then just had time to wet her lips with a little rum when off she went. Oh, look, Sissy, it was little Jackie Caffrey, and they all looked up at the sky over the church. Was it sheep lightning? There over the trees beside the church, it was blue and then green and then purple. It's fireworks, fireworks, Sissy Caffrey said. Come on, Gertie, it's the bazaar fireworks. And they all ran helter-skelter down the dark